I've always had an internal struggle with keeping ingredients in the kitchen that are meant for only one dish. One of those things is the Sinigang soup powder mix. Of course, we have it in the cupboard. My wife and I get our cravings for the tamarind soured soup, and green unripe tamarind is hard to come by in the States. Yes, we can use the more versatile tamarind concentrates and tamarind pulp, which we also have, but look in any Filipino kitchen and chances are you'll find powdered soup packets. Filipino homes have become so used to its ease and convenience that it's always on stock. But can the packets do anything else other than take up cabinet space when on standby for soup? Not too long ago, I learned I owed much more respect to the soup packet, just as much as the other ingredients we bring to the kitchen. I was at my mom's for dinner and she pulled out a roast out of the oven. I scratched my head because it had this slightly tangy taste that definitely wasn't citrus or vinegar. "What did you put in this, Mom?" I asked. And she said matter-of-factly, "Oh, I just sprinkled a little of the sinigang mix because I didn't have any lemons." Of course. Mom always knows best. You're the one that's cooking, not the food label. Mom, in her resourcefulness, found the soup mix to be more versatile than it seemed. She expanded the possibilities and gave the soup packet a respectable place in our kitchen cabinet.
Mmm, delicious.